Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can get a virtual card for free trials. So make sure you watch the tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, what you got to do is just simply head over to any web browser that you would like to choose. I'm using Google Chrome for this video. Just go ahead and open it up like this. Now right over here, you got to search up freevcc.online, and right over here, it will bring you to this website right over here. And what you can do right over here is you can see you can just read all this terms and condition of it, and here as you can see it's just going to give you free VCC for to log in and get into free trials. And yeah, what you got to do, the steps are pretty simple. What you can do, just simply head over to this section and you just got to go to virtual cards. And right over here, once you press on virtual cards, right over here, you just gotta make sure that you log in into your VCC account, which is totally free to make. After that, you just gotta go ahead and grab your free trial card and you can just use it. There is no hidden fees, no protection online purchase, and convenient and flexible, and it has enhanced privacy and security. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tool actually helped you out. I'll see you